Really, it's our customers. As they look to enable global communications, whether in the form of text or phone calls or any other means, as well as deliver content throughout their networks that people are looking for, whether in the form of video or pictures, etc. What really happens is they have to manage a lot of complexity there, and we're looking to offload some of that complexity and simplify the operations. What we're trying to do is build out a portfolio inclusive of what we call Netflix, which communicates directly to devices. We have Prism, which communicates to network management systems, and we have a network inventory optimization module to really help our customer base. And what we're really trying to do is implement a lot of automation as well as intelligence into the platforms to really ease their burden and really simplify network operations end to end. So we focus on some of the world's largest networks that are out there. And in these networks, there's a lot of complexity. And a lot of it's associated with having to handle equipment that's multi-generational, also multiple layers, and across multiple vendors. So if you look at the vendor community, they tend to focus predominantly on their own equipment. In our case, we're focusing on the equipment from multiple vendors simultaneously. And one of the other big challenges that our customers have is being beholden to vendor lifecycle management. So a vendor might want to deprecate a given product, and the customer that they have may want to keep it in service a little bit longer. So the idea that there's equipment that's out in people's networks today, they're no longer supported by some of the vendor base. We actually continue to maintain support for a lot of that equipment via our Netflix platform. And we get to onboard newer generation equipment with Prism a lot easier because we talk to network management systems. And the inventory optimization piece really gives us a chance to be able to visualize the legacy and current generation networks and be able to optimize the inventory and services all around it. So, for us to be able to cohesively grab all that information, provide a single, pane of glass for people and be able to optimize and take action on those networks is something that's very unique to LightRiver. So right now, the direction that we're going in, if I step back and try to articulate what artificial intelligence is and kind of where it's going, you go back to manual. And in the manual domain, people actually were the ones who developed the features and were the ones who executed the features, right? If you look at how digital transformation took place, it was all about automation. So the humans created, and it was the machines that executed. But to really move forward and go into intelligence and the intelligent transformation, the machines are going to have to be able to not only create, but also be able to execute. So we're embedding a lot of artificial intelligence in our Prism product right now. And one of the most unique features that we have is the ability to pose a question to the platform itself in the form of a chat. The system itself will actually auto-create features based on those requests that the users are making and customize the information that is going to be delivered to them in a way that's relevant to them specifically that they can save.